1. Midjourney in architecture, one of the most popular AI generators. 2. Photor in architecture. 3. Jasper Art, AI architecture generator. 4. DALL-E in architecture. 5. Stable Diffusion, open source AI architecture generator. 6. Make It AI, dedicated AI generator for architectural plan design. 7. Architectures, dedicated AI generator for architectural planning and design. 8. Sidewalk Labs, AI architecture and urban design generator. 9. Night Cafe in architecture. 10. KDIM, dedicated AI generator for architectural modeling. 11. Arco.ai, artificial intelligence generator, compatible with architecture software. 12. Luma AI, AI architecture generator for restoration and reconstruction. 13. Dream AI architecture generator. 14. Arc Design AI architecture generator. 15. Archistar, AI architecture generator for site analysis. 16. Hyper AI architecture generator. 17. Foyer Neo, AI architecture generator for interior design. 18. PlanFinder.ai, AI architecture generator.